So you might want to remember those keybinds.
Wait, hang on. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Fuck!
You only got 5 more seconds. Hurry it up.
X is throw. What the fuck?
Yeah, well, we could technically rebind it.
E.
Maybe R? Oh, okay.
You on your map?
Probably.
Tab.
Yeah, sure, why not? I don't think I want jump and map to be on the same button.
Alright, you want it to be easy, you want
Hold on, you gotta...
die,
There you go.
you want to freaking...
Let's
Like
go
our
easy
all
for now.
survivors.
My space sky is green. Green is the color of swag.
What the fuck?
Make a slug pop. You can turn you into a child.
Oh, fuck you! I swear to God. Oh, God!
No.
That's probably.
No.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
No, Orko, don't. There you go.
Okay.
Father, help!
Creature of sex. Well, he dead. Unlucky. Unlucky. L.
Pain rolled.
Pain! Penis world.
Quick.
Nah, let's
What the
leave
fuck?
for now.
Hey! What? Huh? Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
He picks you up and it's just piggybacking you.
What the fuck are you doing? Okay, I guess I'm not doing shit today. Hello, everybody. Welcome to I Fuck Off. Dickhead. Come on, give me a fucking minute here. Catch and eat what?
Nice. Hold the pickup button. There you go.
Mmm. Zesty. Creature of sex. Hey, get me up.
We
I-
should probably not go on ahead because
Where am I? Where am I?
Oh,
oh,
it is active.
Now I can see where I am. Okay, so where did you assholes go?
Go up.
Fuck you. Creature. Hey, whoa, hey!
You hold the jump, and then you go...
Oh, shit.
Why'd you jump down?
yeah, you made it.
It's very hard to tell.
Hey, duck.
Duck and fall,
And
apparently.
then hold space until your
Yeah,
back
duck,
arches like
and then
that,
hold-
and then
Hold space, and then let go.
There we go.
Go.
The darkness is coming.
go.
I'm trying! I can't get in! Why couldn't I go in? I was holding down more than anyone has ever held down before. And then we all die.
No, then we hibernate. Skug.
Limbo. Sex. Huh?
Yeah, what?
What the fuck? God damn it!
Wait, hold on. You duck now, Neil. I want to see if I can. I want to see if we can all like piggyback off each other.
How do I pick?
Wait, I have an idea. Lay down, Orko. No. No. Okay, now hold. God, fuck.
How do I?
Hold pickup. Hold the pickup. Yes. Alright, this is all riding on you. Go, coward.
We are the apex predator, bitch! What the fuck?
I'm holding a spear. No, my spear!
Gimme! Mine! There, now I have one.
Wait, is it not like... Oh, no, it's not internet. Damn it. Give.
What the fuck? Did you just drag me onto your back? Asshole.
Yeah.
How is he doing
You can
that?
hold 2 rocks, you can hold a
Yeah,
spear.
no, you just can't have 2 spears.
Now for the real question. Wait. What was the button to throw shit again?
F.
Oh, right. Ah, and there it goes. I'm assuming it just throws wherever my cursor is pointed, maybe?
No, it throws just whatever direction you're aiming.
throws
You
which direction you're
you can't
looking.
really aim up or down.
You have to do a long jump.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, and then you just jump in. Yeah! And then what is wrong
And then
with
I'm
you?
like
And you-
break dancing apparently. There we go. Now I'm on. Onward and
Oh!
It's okay. He's friendly.
Okay, we're good.
uh
Fucking...
did you just
Yeah, that's a lizard. We should go. I fucking... Oh. Go.
I am trying.
You... Go. Right.
Hi.
Come on.
Wrong way.
Well, I'm probably gonna die.
No!
I tried to fucking save Sandy and died in the process.
Oh,
I'm like dead. Are they fighting over me?